here is number 6 from our graphing review. And we are going, it's very similar to number 5, except we're doing a logarithmic function instead of an exponential function. And keystrokes are another big part of it on our calculator that we want to be sure that we get those correct. So what I want us to focus on first is I want us to look at the graph, because ultimately we are graphing f of x equals log of x minus 3 minus 3. So the first thing I want us to do is I want us to look at the graph of log of x. And remember, that's base 10, because when we don't have a base, it's base 10. And so that is the graph that we are going to look at first. So when I do log of x, my x-intercept is right here. And it moves this way. And so this is my graph of log of x. So we are going to do a up and down shift and a left to right shift. Now our x focuses on our left to right, and I will remind you that anytime we're dealing with an x value, it is opposite. So if we have x minus 3, it is going to be to the right 3. Okay, because x values, your left to right values, are always opposite. So we are going to go to the right 3 spaces. Now for our second portion, that's going to be our up and down value, or our y value, and that is true to value. So I have minus 3, so my graph is going to go down 3. Down 3 spaces. Okay? So I am going to take my x-intercept, where it's crossed the x-axis, and I am going to go to the right 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to go down 3. And at that point, that's a point on my graph, and then I can draw it again. Okay, and that is your graph. The blue graph is f of x equals log of x minus 3 minus 3. Now, when you do this on your calculator, because we always are talking about our calculator keystrokes, you are going to have your log, and I want that x minus 3 in parentheses. That x minus 3's got to stay in parentheses, because that is what you're taking the log of, the x and the minus 3. So you have to keep that together for your calculator keystrokes. So practice using that calculator before you take your final exam.